Good morning everyone! Ito si Papa Lou, and for today we will be unboxing na yung Insta360 na nakuha ko. I ordered online. So, unboxing lang siya. So, please watch throughout the video and what's in this box. Okay. So, before doing that, so my name again is Papa Lou. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Alright, buksan na natin yung box. So, ito pala, in order ko online sa insta360.com, and naka-sale siya that time. Nakuha ko yung order or placed the order December 15, and after 5 days nakuha ko na siya. So, kailangan mo lang gawa ng credit card at humiram ako doon. Anyways, so, ayun. Ito na siya. And let's see kung ano yung content. So, isa siyang modular camera. May 360 and ano pa? Let's see. Sabi dito, oh, yan na! Alright. So, ito siya. So, yung 4K wide angle ba to? 4K, ewan, nakalimutan ko na kung ano to. Sabi dito, 4K wide angle mod. Ito. So, natatanggal daw to eh. Yan. 4K wide angle mod. Ay, mali. Ito pala, 4K wide angle mod. And ito yung ating box. Tingnan ko. This is the core. This is the core. And then meron siya yung battery. Yan. Battery base. And yung 360 camera. Yan. So may dalawa siyang lens. Here and there. So ano pa yung laman ng box? Ano ba to? Yun lang yon? Hindi. Yun. Meron pa siyang box na maliit sa loob. Oh! Dito pala sa gilid. Yun. So here, meron siyang naka-plastic. So dito, inside this plastic, we have yung parang ano ng GoPro. Ito. Point to track. Yung case niya. This is the mounting bracket. This is the mounting bracket. The lens cap. Yan. Para hindi magasgas. Ganito yata yan. 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 Para hindi magasgas. Very important. At yung tourniquets and brace bar dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ganun siya. Ayan. Ayan. Candy. Joke. Hindi, candy yan. Quick start guide. Mga papers. Waterproofing, what to know. Pero naka-Chinese. May ano naman. Interpretation. You know, if you could say it. Parts. The warranty card. Ano pa ba? Sticker. Punas. Pang charge cord to. So, yun ang laman ng box na ito. So, you have the 4K wide lens. Ito yung core. Meron siyang kasamang, of course, pinaka-importante yata to na gusto ko. That's why I bought it. is yung 360 lens. Yan. 360 lens. Lens cap. Battery. Mountain bracket. Mountain bike. Mounting bracket. Ito. Yung contraption dyan. Sticker, manual, and wet wipes. Alright. So, nakuha ko to online. And I'll put it on the description below so that you could check out their site. Got this for $407. Naka-sale siya that time. 70% off. So, ngayon, nasa 472 ata. Somewhere there. Pero, ilalagay ko na lang kung magkano sa description. And, yun. I think that's about it. So, ano ko na lang, kailangan daw dito is to install yung app because hindi siya gagana pag hindi mo na download yung app sa phone nyo, yung Insta360 app. Yun lang yung difference niya. So, i-download yun para mag-sync silang dalawa. Then, you could use it na. So, napanood ko mga ibang YouTube videos, medyo matagal daw. But this is just unboxing. Hopefully, I will be able to also video yung paano or how it works. Okay? So, hope you guys like it. Short lang to, unboxing nga lang, di ba? So, until next time, yung mga susunod, makita nyo, mag-vlog na lang ako sa mga rides ng anak ko, rides ko, right, sa motocross or street bike, and hopefully magandang kinalabasan. I'll share another review maybe after weeks or I don't know, at sana maging tuloy-tuloy yung vlog. So sana supportahan niyo itong channel to. So once again, this is Papa Lou, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye-bye.